variable air volume VAV system offers several key advantages. First, it reduces overall fan power consumption, delivering significant energy savings. Second, it provides excellent flexibility idle for office buildings and similar spaces where layouts frequently change. As a full air system, VAV also utilizes fresh air to balance indoor loads, responding quickly to changes while avoiding issues such as condensate or mold growth commonly found in fan coil units. Most importantly, it delivers a high level of indoor comfort, meeting the modern standards of health, efficiency, and occupant well-being.